All right, kiddos, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on what I'm asking for in the 3D printing classroom. So you're going to go to Launchpad and choose this matter control, the one that has no number, and it's going to launch. So what you're going to be able to do is make a nameplate. Now I'm going to put Jesus name in Google, and then I'm going to go to images, and I'm going to look for one. Sorry about that, guys. I'm going to look for one that has a look that I like. If it doesn't work, I can put font and I'll get some more results. I don't like that one because it says Jesus Christ. Let's see. And you want one that's going to be in black. That'll come out a lot easier. You know what? I like this one. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to wait for it to load all the way. See this little bar? Let me just loading. So the reason I want it to load is that way it has the full resolution. And something else is, see this right here? It says namedesign.com. We want to get rid of that. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So this one is not loading, guys. Let me see this one. Will this one load? It did. Maybe if I go back to the one that I chose. This one. Okay, now it loaded. So kind of like a web page. Kind of refreshed it by clicking on another one and going back to that one. So I'm going to hit save image. I'm going to call it Jesus. Make sure it says JPEG or PNG. Sometimes it'll say like web DP or PD or something. You don't want that. It's not really an image. So I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to show you a cool trick right now. Okay, so it's down here, right? I'm going to open it, and I'm going to make a box here and kind of move it where it has just my name, and this is blocked out. And then I'm going to go to edit, and it's under tools. I will hit crop. Now you see that little flower K? That flower is a key on your keyboard, which means command. So I can click here, or I can go ahead and hold down command and push K once, and now I have this. And then I'll hit file. Whoops, let me go back to my picture. Go to file and then just hit save. And now it's saved. So at any time, if it sounds like I'm going too fast, just pause it, come back to the video, and so on. So you're going to go in here and go to create, click image converter, hit add, and I'm going to go to my downloads. That's where I saved that picture, and here it is. And now I have this. But remember, there's nothing underneath it, so it's going to come apart. Like the J is not attached to everything else. But we can fix that. What I want you to do first is move this little bar over to where the G is, so this is not too thick. And then I'm going to have you put rectangle, okay? And then you're going to hit save and exit, and it's ready to go. So then you're going to hit export, and you want to pick this one, STL. And you can put it on your desktop, downloads. I'm going to just put it in my downloads. I'm going to call it Jesus plate. So I know it's a nameplate. Then I'm going to hit export. I'm done with this program now, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click that red circle, get out of there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Thingiverse, okay? I was looking for something for my wife because she's gardening right now. But I want to put something special with my nameplate. I'm a big Street Fighter fan, so I'll put Street Fighter. And I mean, I'm going to let you guys pick whatever you want, and we'll see how it comes out. I don't want anything too complex. You know what? Boom. Want this. All right. Now, the look of Thingiverse right now is a little different. But you're going to go to Thing Files, just like before, and hit download. Okay. So now I have this file and my nameplate. So guess what? We're going to head over to Tinkercad. Okay. So good thing I'm signed out. I was already going to sign out so I could show you how to log back in. You're just going to click sign in. Choose Google. And I am rushing a little bit just so you guys don't have too long a video. So I have my two things, my nameplate and something I want to attach to my nameplate. So I'm going to put create new design. So I'm going to import. It says choose file. So I have these two. I'm not able to pick two at the same time. So what I'm going to do is just put Street Fighter, hit open, hit import. I can only import one file at a time. Okay, so right now it's working. I'm going to let it work. And, oh, there it is. Cool. All right. So remember, this allows us to move it around. All right. Import. Let me grab my nameplate. Import. And hopefully it doesn't. Oh, way too big. All right. So I'm going to do this. So you notice it looks a little weird. Look. Let me go back. See, it looks a little weird. The letters look a little squished. So I might stretch it out a little bit. Yeah, you know what? That looks better now. So I want this to be attached to it. But what I want you to notice is how thick this one is. So what I'm going to do is this square, see how it has the arrows up and down? When I click on it, it'll lock that I want to make an adjustment here. This is 5.68. So I'm going to go to this one, click the arrow that has the up and down. It's kind of hard to see. And I'm going to make it 5.68. Also hit enter. And now it's about the same height. So if you want it just to be attached to it, you can. I might even say, you know what? I'm going to put it all around because I'm a crazy Street Fighter fan. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And here we go. All right. Street Fighter all over the place because I'm crazy. Now, I'm going to group all this together. So I'll hit Command A, Command G. It is not the nicest looking nameplate, but it's something that reflects who I am. And it looks all right. Could you do something like this? Sure. Now I'm going to undo what I did just to show you what else you can do. If I want, maybe I want a totally different nameplate. You know what? I'm still going to use the Street Fighter sign, but what I'm going to do is rotate the screen a little bit, and I'm going to rotate this. I need to find a good angle. Maybe over here it'll let me. It's not letting me rotate it, but guess what? 90 degrees. We'll rotate it. Okay, so if you can't grab that arrow, use 90 degrees. This looks pretty good, but it looks a little too close to it. Let me lift it just a hair, and then let me look at it from here, and I'm going to pull it this way right onto my nameplate, and I'll group it. And now I have a custom nameplate. Great. Awesome. So it's not the prettiest thing. I'm rushing through it, of course. But I'm ready to submit it to Google Classroom. Well, let's do a refresher. I'm going to hit Export. I'm going to hit STL. And it has a different name. You know what? I want to make sure I remember that I made this. I'm going to call it SF for Street Fighter nameplate. And so now when I export it, the name will be different. It'll say SF nameplate. Okay. And that's it. And then you'll just head over to Google Classroom, click the paperclip, and then you'll attach it. Awesome. Make something crazy, you guys. And I'll print it for you guys while we're away from each other.